Welcome to the brand new 2024 GMC Terrain Denali in white frost. This SUV is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, bolted up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Terrain, starting on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power locks, windows and mirrors, heads-up display controls, electronic parking brake, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, heads-up display I previously mentioned, 8-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, dual-zone climate control, button-activated shifter, and Bose audio all throughout the vehicle. Taking a look at the exterior of the Denali, starting off with the 19-inch wheels paired up with Hankook Kinergy tires. Moving right along, we have chrome door handles with painted accents, paint-matched mirrors with LED turn signals. Around the front of the vehicle, GMC badge in the center of the chrome grille, LED daytime running lights and headlights. Back down the side of the vehicle, this SUV is remote start equipped and has keyless entry. Chrome trim along the bottom of the doors, rear tinted privacy windows with chrome trim along the top, roof rails are installed. At the back of the vehicle, we have the GMC Terrain and all-wheel drive badging, all on the hatch. Heading back inside the Denali, back seats here are car seat ready and easily collapsible, allowing for plenty of access to your trunk. Cup holders come down here in the middle. Bose audio continues throughout the SUV, and here in the center console, we have the heated leather seats controls, 2 USB charging ports, and a 120-volt outlet. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the brand new 2024 GMC Terrain Denali. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.